Cat's all lovey-dovey with me. That means he wants something. You know, something but dumb. Okay, I think I'm gonna make this one easy going. No real plan here. I guess I do have a plan. I'm gonna run this project. What exactly am I doing with it? Hmm. 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 And for right now, going to hide the code to do all the secret stuff. Hmm. Grilling content. Okay. Go to the libraries and serve it. At the moment, I have a bunch of temporary data on my website, the primary website, that I just literally exported from the client, like a couple of my client websites, and then imported it all on my website. So I had some real content to edit on. So let's just go home. Ooh, pretty. Yep, bunch of test content for the landing page carousel widget. which appears to be working just fine. I'm gonna be making a content guide. So I'll be placing this in there. So literally all of this is just gonna be deleted. Guess I don't have a menu. Yeah? What do you want? Alright. I gotta appease His Highness. Probably won't take long. I just gotta wait for him to tell me exactly which type of treat he needs today. He's gotten some of everything, so none of the special treats. He's just like, yeah. Or he made one outside. I gotta get dude a door. Dude really needs a door. Okay, I'll be right back. Hmm. Okay, so we got the primary application running with all this test content. Okay, let's log in. Go to edit site. Pages. 46 pages. That's too many pages for me, man. Oh my god. This is the best way. Just gonna delete them all. Home should not be able to be deleted. Same with not found. So I'm gonna have to fix that. Okay. Down to just the 2 pages. I should replace this logo with my logo. So let's go to media. Making images, folder. Excuse me. Um, Hmm. Those one icons. What else am I gonna need? Orders, screenshots. Definitely gonna want patterns, textures, photos. Feels like a good group. Icons has my first. Assignment. Hmm. Hmm. Let's see. Put this logo in here. Oh, it's doing the trippy thing again. Could be the issue with that is well, it's definitely not gonna work, so I'm gonna reload. 3. Here. Copy the min version. Open the app component, which has the header config and the detailed static assets bucket. Yeah, this is too slow. I gotta figure something out for the. I kind of like that this grows to be the full. Hmm. I'm gonna pick a different font. Still gonna use this font. It's one of my friends made it, but I don't think it belongs up here. It's kind of their brand, but I definitely want to use it for parts. That's fine. this doesn't exist anywhere except these two. Very nice. Okay, I guess I can give myself more footer links. I put my socials in there. I think I do have a Facebook page. But I just like do not use Facebook. I got 55 likes, but that's from even before the business, but okay, why not? Why not? False. LinkedIn. I don't think so. I don't think I'm on LinkedIn. Definitely Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. But again, I don't use Twitter. Let's see, Instagram, Facebook. I'll reorder these when I'm done. LinkedIn, absolutely not. Twitter. I do believe this is correct. Yeah, I haven't posted on Twitter, but 0 followers. Just use the official URL. Feels weird. What else do I have? GitHub. Trying to copy the link from Facebook, but of course they. Ooh, copy clean link. Is that gonna do what I think it's gonna do? It did not. Whoa. That's not what I wanted at all. Just open the link. GitHub. YouTube. /at apartment. Remember to like and subscribe. I don't need my own website. Is there anything else my business is on? Oh, duh. Twitch. is it? Is this my URL? Hey, that's me. Hey, that's me. Do I see 2 viewers? Of course, Ninja's here. To the other person, if you have any computer science programming questions, I am an open book. Oh, I need to mute that. Mm, okay, so this is Twitch, YouTube, GitHub, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. That's plenty. That's too much. I don't even use. I guess I did just post to Instagram. Don't use Facebook. Don't use Twitter. Should probably just get rid of those. I'll just leave it. SoundCloud. Yeah. Okay. It's gotta be on my channels. Check down here. Instagram, Facebook. Facebook's still getting cut off. I thought I fixed that. The leaf looks fine. Oh, leaf looks fine. Facebook's still not fine. Oh, okay, that says LinkedIn. We'll check the rest of them. Looks good. Okay, got my social links. Gonna go to Blue Sky eventually because I want to build a Blue Sky app because Blue Sky is built on an open protocol. So anyone can build their own. Anyone can build their own Blue Sky app. I feel like that would be a good good tutorial to do instead of what I'm normally doing, which is just boring old configuration, adding content. Huh, I already had Twitch set up to be that color, or is that just the color? No, it's gotta be just the color of my buttons. You have to set it up for Twitch, but the rest of them have the correct brand colors. Instagram is fancy, so it gets the gradient. So I have those. I've replaced this. Still considering whether I want it to be smaller or not. Kind of interesting that it goes full size when it stretches. I'm gonna move this inside here. That's one thing I'm gonna do. Edit media. Media.component. Tiny PNG usage. Just gonna delete that. So here. Put that there. Although those are both inline, so I feel like I'm gonna need a BR there. npx ng build ngx admin. Insert. Yep. Change it to a div because a div is a block level element instead of inline block, so that it is on its own line, but I don't like how close it is to the new folder button. Why didn't I include the grid widget in here? Hmm? rid of that. Is the grid included? No. Ah, there's the red squiggly. Event widget grid. To keep these together. Comes from here. What I'm doing there is Control Shift P just opens up commands, and really the only one is sort lines ascending. Is the only one that I use, so that I can keep my imports in alphabetical order. Because I like structure in my life. Now that I imported the grid, we have the grid here. That should resolve the space issue, but I need to rebuild it. Why is everything gotta be confusing? All I really need is these. Oh, here I don't. No text message, so I'm going to assume that means that I'm not going over my sister's for dinner, and we'll be doing that another day. Why isn't this centered right now? Block break the grid centering. if I get rid of the grid template columns? Data here. Beautiful. Beautiful. Guess the question is, what do I want on my website? I want content that is going to drive users to give me their money. Definitely want to delete this test content. Start at the beginning. Good and not found. Looks like a fine for a pointer page to me. Go to slash add stuff. Looks like a fine for a 4-page to me. Maybe I should add some texture. I'm gonna have to set the menu. Um, um, Let's see, I'm gonna want the store, I'm gonna want a blog. Let's just start with, you have home, blog and store aren't gonna be pages. Let's go to pages. I want an about page. Uh, let's see, on my website, how did I do contact? Just slash contact? Seems about right. Seems about right. What happened to the page? It's just contact pages. About contact. Clients is going to be a collection. Pretty standard stuff. Collections. Definitely going to want some collections. I want a blog. I want web apps. Well, no. 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 Wait. Shit. Yeah, wait. No, apps is just gonna be a page. Apps/web. It's gonna be a collection. Pretty sure I made sure this would work. Create a new collection. Apps/native. Blog, apps, web and native. If I need clients. Or that would just be under app/web. Hmm. Services, maybe? I'll come back to it. Definitely gonna want the landing page to be something unique and maybe front end impressive. Check and see if my cat wants in. I may have already done that. It's hard to keep track. Alright. I gotta go back. Media. So it looks good. But now that I have the grid imported, I'm gonna replace these. Beautiful. I did turn the table into a widget, so I think I should also try to replace this with that. Okay, so all I did here was replace my div class equals mint grid with the mint widget grid, which is practically the same thing, but since I have the widget grid, Might as well keep it to the widget grid. I think. Um, okay, yeah. That's all I needed to do there. Rebuild it. Reserve it. Looks great. Hmm. I need to make a settings editor. Feel like I might need to come up some sleep to start that. Time is it? 7:30. Yeah. Yeah, I guess that's what I'm gonna do in the morning is make a settings page for the back end. That way I don't have to log into AWS to change the menu, which is what I'm going to be doing next. Hmm. Yeah, I'm feeling pretty drained. I need to at least eat before I do anything remotely challenging. So I think I'm just gonna spend the rest of the time trying to figure out what I want my homepage to look like. I think I know, I just gotta go to CodePen. For inspiration. Trying to get money. Who doesn't like fun buttons? Okay, sort of like gradients. Just a mask. That's not very interesting. This one's pretty nice. The color becomes the glow. Feels like something's happening. This is interesting. I've already actually implemented something like this. I can probably see it on my website. These buttons. Mine's a little bit more subtle. It is a gradient at an angle, and it like wipes bottom left to top right so that it gives it sort of like a flash, like a little shine on the button. A little shine on the button. Okay, seen these plenty. This isn't good. Accessibility. Do I want to look at the code? Nope. There we go, something like this. This feels fun. Want something fun like this. I really like this. I could just play with this all day. Just like, feel like I could sign my name with this. Okay, this one's getting saved in a tab. I'm gonna at least see if I can. Oh, look, there's a tutorial in here. The URL, coding an interactive and damn satisfying cursor. 7 simple steps, 2 kilobytes of code. 2 kilobytes feels like it might be a lot. Oh well, that's less code than I was expecting. Okay, let's look at the update function. For intro motion. Okay, if not mouse moved. Probably replace window.innerWidth and window.innerHeight with my custom width and height functions so that it works at different DPS. I'm gonna want to set these to that. Well, I'm not going to take the time to completely understand this, but I may copy and paste it into my code. Hell yeah. Nice. I'm gonna come back to that at some point. So let's keep that. Okay, that's super interesting. Particle logo. Whoa. Whoa. This is too interesting. Okay, well, I already have something that activates classes when they scroll in, so I don't need that. What? You're gonna make me log in to see search results? That's wild. This is fun, but not what I'm looking for. There we go. It's pretty satisfying. Yeah, this one's too interesting. Okay, I'll bite. Whoa. What happened? I made it blue. There it is. They need to override the cursor with this or something. Okay. I will probably start using scroll magic at some point. Could make like a. I was thinking about making a website that's a game. Okay, I'll bite. It's not bad. There should be shift slider. Ooh, okay. 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 Ah! I was not prepared for the image to switch. Like, good looking guy. I just like, whoa. I feel like I could combine this with the last one. Physical typography, that sounds fun. Whoa, what? Hello? Person. I don't like it. That makes me uncomfortable. Oh, he fell. That's cute, but not interesting enough. Whoa. Bad. That's terrifying. Roller coaster loader is a good idea. That's trippy. Hmm. Okay, that has my attention. Whoa. Whoa, that tripped my eyes out for a second. Oh, and it's interactive. Little trippy. If I could make it more subtle. There we go. This has the amount of code I was expecting. I want something simpler, more elegant. Interactive hippo button looks promising. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Now that's a button. That's a button. Wow, beautiful. Okay. Ooh, this feels better. Something I can destroy, but then goes back and heals. Ooh, yes. Ooh. Okay. Okay, how do I don't know compass, but all it does is import that, so I don't know. There's no HTML? I guess, yeah, okay. The script is gonna create the canvas. Can I just, can I just Can I just plug my own logo in there? Can I just plug my own logo in there? Can I just plug my own logo in there? Can I just plug my own logo in there? Can I open the image? Oh, it's on my other monitor. Okay, this is the wrong image, but I think this is gonna work. How do you get? Well, let's just see if I can even do. I feel like this isn't gonna work. Cross origin data. Oh, AU. But put that in here. It's not gonna work. Oh, wait. Might as well try. Can I do that? Importing. I just copy the clipboard using the free plan. This is personal use. I don't even want to allow this. See text and images copy to the clipboard. No, no. Screw you. Screw this website. I don't care about this that much. I'm gonna give up on this. Interactive polygon wall. I did like this. Keep it open. Just check out this one. Woo. Probably use something like that for Travis's website, maybe. A puzzle is an interesting idea. That's interesting. Pretty trippy. Trippy. Hmm. I'll think of something. Love me a good fractal. It's pretty cool. Wish there'd be more variation. Like they're all always locked in. Ah, I want to go back to this guy. This is just so much fun. I love this. A, M. This feels pretty right, but it was like the first thing I found. This feels usable. This is too out there. Sure, it'll take me a while to figure out what I'm doing. I think this might be the end though. I need to eat. And next step is a big process, so start that tomorrow morning. And now that I have all of my chores done, I should be able to get started on coding with Sam pretty early. Thanks for chilling. Angry Ninja, I assume. Uh, I will be back tomorrow, assuming I wake up the same person I fell asleep as.